All right, we're in Summerfield, which is the non-gated community. You pay $9 a month for the association fee. It has a 3-car garage, but I was in the garage and I noticed on this 2-car side, there's no bump out going that way or this way. So you're not gonna, if you park 2 cars next to each other, you don't have room on the side. It's just the width of the door basically here. And you have the 3rd door over there. So it's a little bit small for a 3-car garage. It's a concern, but I only have 1 car now. But I'm, making plans. All right, this house has uniform floor throughout. It wouldn't have been the choice, but I like it. They did a good job. This living room, sitting room, as you come in, it's really nice. Got the see-through fireplace on the stone wall. Beautiful view out beyond the pool all the way to the lake. And the formal dining is tucked away where it's not obtrusive to me. And there's a room here. You can make an office or an exercise studio, but there's a better room for an exercise studio in the back of the house. Coming into the master suite, we'll go to the bedroom first. Again, this floor goes all the way through. It's a little cold for the bedroom, but I put a big area rug in under the bed beyond. Better window treatments, and you can go out to the pool and see everything. And it's a nice room. There's 3 closets, but 2 walk-in closets with narrow doors here, which work. They're nice. And then you walk into the bathroom, and there's one strange thing about the bathroom. It's quite nice over here. Got your 2 vanities and mirrors. Nice walk-in shower. Great soaking tub. But you notice at the top of the ceiling here, the wall kind of curves in toward the tub. So it's not exactly straight across. And you can see the break in the crown molding and also in the line of the wall there. And then that's your comfort room or whatever you call it. But nice here, you can see out and see somebody coming in if you're in this area. And you can see out the front here. This is my issue with the checkerboard house. You can't see out the front of the house. But that's a really nice, very nice remodeled master bath. Coming back out, you go out into the kitchen area. This kitchen is like I designed it for myself. Subway tile backsplash, perfect countertops, white cabinets, not too much fanciness in the doors. They're not exactly perfect, but they're good. And goes around, and then we'll go this way first. And then the fridge is sort of in a hallway here. That's one issue. And then you get to the coffee bar. It's fantastic. Garage is here. I'll show you that issue. See, the door doesn't have anything to the side. It goes like 3 inches. And same on the other side. So when you come in, if your car sits in the spot, you don't have room between over here. You do have, because you have a 3rd door, but that door is right up against that wall there too. And that means that the car in that spot is gonna be right up against this car too. So this is a great 2-car garage with motorcycle, bicycles, canoe, kayak storage. But it's not really great as a 3-car garage. Okay, in this area of the house, you have the laundry room, which is really nice. I love the light coming in all the windows. And then you have a fantastic bathroom here for this whole private guest suite. So he has a door on his bedroom as a guest. Then he comes out here, he's got a bathroom, no sight line to the main house. You come out again, you're in this hall with the laundry, and you still have to go around a corner into the kitchen before there's any sight line to the main house. So it's very private back there. Now you have the family room. It's kind of open. It doesn't have a lot of definition, but it works. You can define it with a rug in your furniture. And you go back, and there is another bedroom around the corner And this is pretty private too, as a guest bedroom. Sort of the same situation as the one in the front. You come out, and here you do have sight lines. People can see you going between your bedroom and the bathroom. Look at this. Look at this contraption in the bathroom now. They really rigged it up good. You could car wash yourself in here. And that great granite and great vanity colors too. And then you have this prize, which is an office right now, but this is a great workout room. Look out, put the bike back here and just look out while you're cycling. And then you can see the pool over here. Really nice. You can go out right here out to the pool. I think this has a alarm or something. All right, this pool deck is that darker colored pavers that I don't love. And, you know, I could replace it. There's no spa with this pool, but there is that really nice big clear view screen there. And there's another one right here. That's a screen. It's not open. And you have the platform here to put a chair in and just sit and chill on a hot day without getting in the pool altogether. And a little waterfall for visual and auditory effect. I'm gonna go back in where I came out. Plenty of undercover space out here too. Just a great view of that pond. Man, I should live here. How much is this house? $775? This might be the room I'd least use.
Yeah,
$775. And year is 2000 and...
2000. It's been on the market 6 days.
2000, and it's right new on the market. And so here's that look-through little gas fireplace. And I like, in this house, I like the aquarium window because it's got a nice table there. You can sit and eat your breakfast. All right, so that's this house, and I like it a lot. I'm torn on the decisions.